Welcome to Kurzbyg. Kurzbyg start with a simple vision to build Turkish single-family homes for private clients. Since the company has changed hands, we are now a group of Sylvans runners running the show to create a more financial secure foundation. We have transformed the business into a joint stocks company, APS. Our original focus in the green transition was one, build larger housing for seniors, but when that didn't quick take off, we shift our attention to two-store semi-detached rental homes. In the process, we challenge ourselves: how can we maintain the same usable living space while reduce the gross floor area? The idea is to save material, and we believe we crack a pretty solid solution. In the specific inter-wall design, we estimate a material saving about 5% without compromise on the U value, substantial space smart and still cross that the Kurzbyg way.
After conducting a thorough analysis and visiting Randers Tile, we have decided to postpone the use of recycled bricks for now, as the price does not reflect the quality. With recycled bricks from Randers Tile priced at 21 kroners per brick, we have instead chosen to use a reclay brick for our first project. This alternative contains 30% recycled materials and costs 9.5 crowns per brick. This enables us to reduce costs by more than half while still using bricks of comparable quality and durability. However, this choice does come with a slight compromise to our CO2 footprint. The reclay bricks has a carbon footprint of 8.5 kilograms of CO2 equivalents per square meter, while recycled bricks has a slightly lower footprint of 2.42 kilograms of CO2. However, since our vision to build sustainably and durable on a relative large scale, we are currently facing challenges in maintaining consistency and quality and securing the quantity of bricks needed to stay on schedule and deliver top-tier quality in our COE construction projects. Looking ahead, sourcing bricks directly from demolition sites may become a feasible solution, but it would require further investments in logistics, processing, and quality control. In the project, we have also used cradle-to-cradle certified recycled roofing felt from Derbigum, which contains 25% recycled bitumen sourced from old roofing materials. Additionally, we have also chosen to use circular flooring from Moland, which features a take-back concept. Consumers receive money and a discount when returning the circular floor. The materials are then used in a CO2 neutral processing to create new flooring products.
Navigating the unpredictable world of building material prices is tough. Steel, for example, is a real wild card. The global markets are a roller coaster, making long-term predictions nearly impossible with the geopolitical tensions and unstable raw material supplies. With wood, we're seeing big price jumps due to supply chain issues from southern Sweden, meaning that we're getting timber further away, driving up the cost. Concrete pricing is complicated, with a huge chunk of the final cost coming from extra charges for energy, CO2, and transportation. Installations offer a bit of stability. Manufacturers expect steady growth. With government help plus clear energy savings for homeowners, it's fueling strong demands. Global supply chains are key. Denmark's construction sector relies heavily on imports though companies are smartly looking closer to home and using different supplies to build resilience. We also can't ignore global politics. Trade uncertainties and instability continue to mess with the supplies and cost for internationally traded materials. For everyone involved, this means being smart about buying, using sustainable materials, taking advantage of energy efficiency programs, and constantly watching the market. Staying flexible is crucial for success in this ever-changing construction world.
To ensure a successful transition to green construction, we have chosen to partner with a range of investors and partners within the field of sustainable building. We have selected partners across the following areas: financing, housing and urban development, circular economy and reuse of materials, sustainable building materials. Throughout these collaborations, we are well positioned for the green transition that we are undergoing, covering financing, innovation, sustainable materials, and local engagement.
We understand the growing demands and the necessary changes in the construction industry, driven by authorities and society. We are committed to actively helping with the US Sustainable Development Goals, especially Goals 7, 9, 11, and 12. We are also getting ready to meet the new rules like the CO2 limits per square meter starting in 2025. To make this happen, we will actively support Randers Municipality Climate Plan for 2050 by focusing on two main areas. Our company will push for circular economy in manufacturing. We will do this mainly through platforms where resources can be shared and by working with other businesses on reusing and recycling. We'll champion community-based living arrangements like co-housing and housing clusters. These will include green energy and shared heating, common facilities, sustainable materials, and low energy use. Plus, KI Holding will promote smart square meters by supporting shared use of spaces between the municipality and private groups. By putting these plans into action, KI Holding can effectively reach its target customers, build trust, and create long-lasting relationship in the Randers housing market, all while actively helping Randers Municipality achieve its climate goals.